Okay, y'all, so I am back with another video. I've been seeing that I'm getting a lot of views and feedback regarding how I make these sublimation backpacks. So I'm going to go ahead and give y'all the tutorial. Now it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial. So I love making these because you can honestly be as free as you want. So the first thing that we are going to start off with is a pretty much a guide, which is this right here. So we're going to start off with a guide. If you want this guide, make sure that you click the link down below and get access to my website. Make sure that you click the link in the bio. It'll be there so that you can go ahead and get it. So that's what we're going to start off first. The reason why we want to start off with this is because we don't want our words and stuff to be all the way over here, and that's outside of the book bag. So I want to do a cute unicorn theme, so we're going to start off with the background. So let's do pink and blue background. Let's go ahead and do that. We can do something with some clouds. Click on these three dots to set it as the image background. Then we can type in unicorn like this. Y'all, they have so many cute unicorns, so cute. So we can do two things, y'all. We can do something as simple as this. Then maybe we can add in the rainbow like this. And then we're gonna, on a keyboard, you're gonna click on command and then the open bracket to put it behind. Do something like that. And then let's go ahead and let's add in some more things. Let's do some stars. We could do a star like that. Then I'm gonna add more stars over here. So once we add a star, you can click on this duplicate button to add in another one. I like to flip mine horizontally, so it looks like that. And then what else? What else can we do? Maybe I don't like those colors. There's absolutely no rules to designing. That's one reason why I absolutely love Canva. So we're just adding in different things, maybe some clouds. All right, so now that we have this, maybe we can add an effect behind our unicorn. Let us click on shadows and then let's do glow, and then we can switch this to white, or maybe if we do pink. And that's cute. All right. Let's possibly add in yellow star. All right, so that is all that we're going to do for that. We're going to say that our person's name starts with the letter K. If we wanted to, we can duplicate this page, and let's take this off and let's add some text. Let's do Sarah. And can we add, I would like a cursive letter, or cursive font. Do it like that. Let's add her there. Give her white letters. And then we're going to duplicate that. We're going to give her a stroke. Click on Effects, go to Outline, and give a stroke. We can do whichever color pink that we want. Make that bigger. We can bring that here. And then let's say we want to change this color to possibly like yellow. And then we could give an effect, an outline like this. Maybe a white one. Or what if we do black? Okay, but let's change the okay, so I don't really like that, so and then let's give it an effect. Let's do a neon effect. Let's see if we put this behind her. Now, let's say we wanted to give this like a curve. Come back to Effects, click on Shape, and she's gonna curve like that. So cute. Position. Let's put our rainbow in the center a little bit more. Put a unicorn in the center. All right, so cute. So now we need to go in and remove our guide in the background. Let's come here. Let's remove the guide in the background, delete that. Now we want to share. All right, so now that we have finished both of our designs, we are going to click on share. And then we want to make sure that we click on download, and it should not be in MP4 video, it should be in PNG. So after you do that, you want to go ahead and select the pages that you want to download, which is mine is 11 and 13, or it's actually 11 and 12. So we're going to download those. All right, so now that that has downloaded, for you to be able to create a mock-up, so after you do that, you want to go ahead and get a mock-up And after you get the mock-up, you can go to upload files, and then you want to go to your, so if you click on upload files and you get the zip folder, you need to unzip the folder. So I'm going to go to my downloads folder, my actual download folder, and then I am going to go to double click here and then click here to unzip. Now I'm going to go back to the internet, and here I can click on upload files. Now I have the file to where I can upload them. Okay, so after that has completed itself, we then can now click on our design, put it into the frame. After we put it into the frame, we then want to go ahead and get our mock-up. Let me back up. You need to click on the frame, click on the 3 dots here, and then you need to lock it. Don't click on lock position, only click on lock, okay? Then you're gonna grab your book bag or your overlay, whichever one you want to call it, and there you have it. All right, so that is one. Now we can duplicate this so that we don't have to do all these steps again. Let's click on this image. Let's unlock it. Let's click on delete and then delete image. Don't delete the frame because we still need the frame. Then we're going to come back over here. We can bring our other one here. And then, see, we need to lock this again. Click on the 3 dots, click on lock, and then lock. And let's go here. So now there we have it. We have both of our unicorn book bags. I hope you all really enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you click the link in the bio, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.